Have you ever wondered what causes the sound of a ringing telephone? This seemingly simple question actually hides a world of intriguing science and technical wizardry. It's one of those everyday phenomena that we often take for granted, not giving a second thought to the complex processes at work behind the scenes. Our world is filled with such marvels, and today we're going to pull back the curtain on one of them, the ringing of a telephone. In this exploration, we'll unravel the mystery behind that familiar sound that can be both a herald of good news or the precursor to a tense conversation. So, what makes a telephone ring? What intricate dance of technology and physics brings about this everyday symphony? Stick around as we take this journey together, delving into the fascinating mechanics of a telephone ring. Stay tuned as we delve into the mechanics of a telephone ring. Before we explore the ringing, let's understand the telephone itself. This remarkable device, which revolutionized communication, was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in the late 19th century. The telephone's evolution over time has been nothing short of extraordinary. From rotary dials to touch-tone keypads, from corded handsets to wireless devices, and now, to smartphones with capabilities beyond Bell's wildest dreams. The basic components of a telephone, however, have remained relatively unchanged. The dial, whether it's a rotary or a digital keypad, is used to enter the phone number we wish to call. The receiver, which houses both a speaker and a microphone, lets us listen to and talk with the person on the other end. And then there's the ringer, an essential component that alerts us to an incoming call. Now that we understand the telephone, we can explore the sound of the ringing. The sound of a ringing telephone is all about the interplay of electricity and sound. To understand this, let's consider what happens when a call is made. The calling device sends an electric current via the telephone network to the receiving phone. Now here's where things get interesting. This electric current triggers an electromagnet in the receiving telephone. This electromagnet is connected to a metal clapper. The clapper is then pulled towards the electromagnet, which causes it to strike a metal bell. It's this striking of the bell that creates the sound we associate with a ringing telephone. The frequency and pattern of the clapper striking the bell creates a specific ringtone. Each phone has its own unique ringtone as a result of the specific frequency and pattern of the electric current it receives. So the next time your phone rings, remember it's all a play of electricity and vibration. So, in short, what causes the sound of a ringing telephone? Well, it's a fascinating blend of mechanics and electronics. We started by understanding the basics of a telephone, a seemingly simple device that serves as a vital communication tool. We dived into the workings of a call, which essentially triggers an electric current. This current then travels to the ringer in your telephone. The real magic happens here, as this electric current causes the ringer to vibrate. These vibrations are what create the distinctive ringing sound we've all come to associate with an incoming call. It's a simple process, but one that's happening every second of every day all around us. In essence, the sound of a ringing telephone is a symphony of mechanics and electronics, all working together to alert us of an incoming call. It's a marvel of modern technology hidden in plain sight. And that, folks, is the simple science behind the sound of a ringing telephone. Click at Venkitha Techie on the screen and subscribe, please.